Long ago, in the beautiful green forests of Ghana, lived a proud and hard-working people called the Ashanti. The Ashanti people loved family, community, and working together. Everyone in the village had a role. Some farmed, some cooked, some made tools. The elders taught the young ones wisdom and respect. In Ashanti culture, leaders listen to the people before making decisions. The Ashanti people were brave and ready to protect their land.
Many small villages decided to come together as one strong kingdom.
One great leader helped unite the Ashanti people. A wise priest helped guide the kingdom. One day, something very special happened. A sacred golden stool became the symbol of the Ashanti nation. The golden stool stood for the spirit and unity of the Ashanti people. With unity, the Ashanti Kingdom became powerful and respected. The capital city, Kumasi, became the heart of the kingdom. The Ashanti people were known for gold, farming, and trade. They created beautiful cloth called kente. Music and drums were an important part of Ashanti life. When a baby was born, the whole community celebrated.
Wise proverbs help teach children good character.
The kingdom also faced many challenges.
Sometimes outsiders tried to take control of Ashanti lands.
But the Ashanti people stood together with courage. They fought bravely to protect their kingdom. Even during difficult times, the people remained strong. They always rebuilt and continued their traditions. Festivals were joyful times for the Ashanti people. The chiefs wore beautiful gold ornaments to show honor. Drums carried messages and history. Dance told stories of bravery and joy. Kente cloth showed pride and identity. The children learned culture through celebration. Respect for elders was very important. The Ashanti believed in working together. Parents taught honesty and kindness. Stories helped keep the culture alive. Every story carried wisdom. Many years later, the Ashanti culture continued to grow. Children now learn both history and new knowledge. Important traditions are carefully preserved. Many people still create beautiful kente cloth. Traditional festivals still bring people together. Music continues to connect generations.
future belongs to the young ones.
They learn to care for their land. They also learn to protect their traditions. The elders are happy to see the culture continue. The past and the present dance together. Unity makes the Ashanti people strong. Kumasi still shines as the heart of Ashanti culture. They know their history. They grow into responsible leaders.
The culture continues to shine brightly.
The wisdom of the past guides the future. The story of the Ashanti people is a story of courage, unity, and pride.